Hey, think you know everything about your body? Well, think again. We're talking about that lump of muscle in your mouth that helps you taste your coffee, belt out your favorite tunes, and yeah, tell terrible jokes, the tongue. Today we're diving into the wildest secrets about the most underrated muscle in your mouth, your tongue. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're serving up 10 tongue-tastic facts that they didn't teach you in school. We're talking taste bud science, tongue twister trivia, and even a little myth-busting along the way. Oh, and stick around for fact number 10. It'll change the way you think about taste forever. Alright, fact number 1, people. Did you know your tongue is the only muscle in your entire body that works without any help from your skeleton? Yep, it's a total lone wolf. It's like the James Dean of your mouth, rebellious and independent. But seriously, how does it work? Well, your tongue is what scientists call a muscular hydrostat. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it means your tongue is like a self-supporting water balloon, kind of like an octopus arm. It moves and grooves all on its own, no bones needed. Think about it, your tongue can bend, twist, and contort into all sorts of crazy shapes. It's constantly moving when you talk, eat, and even swallow. And it does all of this without a single bone to hold it up. How wild is that? It's pretty amazing when you think about it. Your tongue is like a muscular marvel, a true testament to the power and ingenuity of the human body. So next time you're using your tongue, take a second to appreciate this boneless wonder. Hold on to your hats, folks, because fact number 2 is a real doozy. Are you ready for this? Every single person on this planet has a unique tongue print. Yep, you heard that right. Just like your fingerprints, your tongue has its own one-of-a-kind pattern of ridges and grooves. It's true! Scientists are even looking into using tongue scans as a new form of biometric security. Forget fingerprint scanners and facial recognition. Soon we might be unlocking our phones with our tongues. Okay, maybe that's a little weird, but you have to admit it's pretty cool. But seriously, the fact that our tongues are so unique is mind-blowing. It just goes to show that even the seemingly ordinary parts of our bodies are full of surprises. So the next time you stick out your tongue, remember, you're showing off a piece of your own personal, one-of-a-kind identity. Alright, let's talk about oral hygiene for a second. You know how important it is to brush and floss your pearly whites? But did you know your tongue is a secret weapon in the fight against plaque and bacteria? Fact number 3 is all about how your tongue is constantly working behind the scenes to keep your mouth sparkling clean. Think of your tongue as a tiny built-in toothbrush. Every time you swallow, your tongue sweeps across your teeth, removing food particles and gunk that your toothbrush might have missed. It's like having a little cleaning crew working around the clock. Now, I'm not saying you can ditch your toothbrush and just rely on your tongue to do all the work, but it's pretty cool to know that your tongue is always there, giving your teeth a little extra love and attention. So, next time you're brushing, don't forget to give your tongue a little scrub too. It deserves some credit for keeping your smile so bright. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the tongue in the mouth. Fact number 4 is about a myth that's been around forever. Can you actually swallow your tongue? The answer, my friends, is a resounding no, mostly. Unless there's a medical emergency happening, like a seizure, your body is hardwired to prevent you from swallowing your tongue. See, there's this little piece of tissue called the frenulum that connects your tongue to the bottom of your mouth. It's like a little safety leash that keeps everything in place. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably heard stories of people swallowing their tongues. But in most cases, what actually happens is that the tongue relaxes during a medical emergency and blocks the airway. It gives the appearance of being swallowed, but it's not actually going anywhere. So rest assured, folks, your tongue is going to stay right where it belongs, helping you taste, talk, and maybe even tell a few jokes along the way. Get ready for fact number 5, because this one might just blow your mind. We all know that our tongues are responsible for our sense of taste. But did you know that taste buds aren't just on your tongue? Yep, you heard that right. Those little flavor detectors are hiding out in some unexpected places. Sure, your tongue might be the taste bud MVP, but your cheeks, the roof of your mouth, and even your throat are also getting in on the action. They all have taste buds. just not as many as your tongue. It's like a whole party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. So the next time you're savoring a delicious meal, remember that it's not just your tongue that's doing the heavy lifting. It's a team effort with taste buds from all over your mouth working together to create a symphony of flavor. Hold on to your taste buds, folks, because fact number 6 is about to make you appreciate those little guys even more. Did you know that the average person has about 8,000 taste buds? That's right, 8,000 microscopic sensors working overtime to help you experience the deliciousness of life. But here's the really cool part. Those taste buds are constantly regenerating. Every 2 weeks or so, you get a brand new set. That's why you can burn your mouth on a piping hot pizza one day and be back to enjoying your favorite foods in no time. It's like having a superpower, the ability to constantly renew your sense of taste. So go ahead, indulge in that extra slice of pizza or that spicy bowl of chili. Your taste buds can handle it. All right, let's give it up for the little muscle that could, the tongue. Fact number 7 is all about the surprising strength and agility of this often overlooked organ. You might not think of your tongue as a powerhouse, but it's actually one of the strongest muscles in your body for its size. Think about it. Your tongue is constantly working, helping you speak clearly, chew your food thoroughly, and swallow safely. It even plays a vital role in breathing. And it does all of this with incredible precision and control. So next time you're struggling to lift weights at the gym, just remember, your tongue is out there crushing it 24/7. It might not be the biggest muscle in your body, but it's definitely one of the hardest working. Ever wonder why your voice sounds different from everyone else's? Sure, your vocal cords play a big part, but fact number 8 reveals that your tongue is also a key player in creating your unique sound. That's right. Your tongue is like a musical instrument, shaping and molding the sounds that come out of your mouth. Along with your vocal cords and lips, your tongue helps you form words, pronounce different sounds, and even create different accents. It's like a conductor, orchestrating the perfect combination of movements to produce the sounds you want to make. So the next time you belt out your favorite karaoke song or tell a hilarious joke, remember to thank your tongue for helping you sound so awesome. It's the unsung hero of your vocal repertoire. Get ready to be amazed, folks, because fact number 9 is straight out of Ripley's Believe It or Not. Did you know that there are people out there who can actually lick their elbows? I know, it sounds impossible, but trust me on this one. It's all thanks to an anatomical anomaly. Basically, some people are just born with unusually long tongues. We're talking tongues that can stretch up to 4 inches long. And before you ask, yes, there are videos online. You know you're curious. Now, I'm not saying you should go out and try to lick your elbow. In fact, I strongly advise against it. But it's pretty wild to think that there are people out there who can do things with their tongues that most of us can only dream of. And finally, we've arrived at fact number 10. The one that's going to change the way you think about taste forever. Remember that tongue map we all learned about in elementary school? You know, the one that said different parts of your tongue are responsible for tasting different things? Well, get ready for this. It's totally false. That's right, folks, the tongue map is a myth. While it's true that some parts of your tongue might be slightly more sensitive to certain tastes, every part of your tongue can actually sense all 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. So go ahead, test it out for yourself. Grab a salty pretzel, a piece of dark chocolate, a squeeze of lemon, and see if you can pinpoint exactly where on your tongue you taste each flavor. You might be surprised by what you discover. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing facts about your tongue that you probably never knew. From its boneless structure to its taste bud superpowers, the tongue is a truly remarkable organ that deserves a round of applause. Give your tongue a little wiggle. It's earned it. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week. We've got a whole lot more where that came from. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay tongue-in-cheek.